So if we thought of this first one, kind of split up like that. The only thing x could not equal is 0. Now as far as canceling stuff out, 16 over 8 is 2. And x to the 11th over x squared would be x to the 9th. So our final answer would be 2x to the 9th. And the only excluded value would be 0. Now, as far as this goes, 3x plus 4, there are no factors there. Denominator, remember you got to do first times last. 3 times negative 4 would be negative 12. So they have to add up to positive 1, so it would be like x plus 4 and x minus 3. But we have to try to divide them by that number in front. Remember that old trick? So the denominator would factor to 3x plus 4 times x minus 1. So let's rewrite that. Numerator, 3x plus 4. We will put it in parentheses because I'm about to cancel that out. Let's get our excluded values though. So this 3x plus 4, if you look up here, it says x plus 4/3, so x could not equal negative 4/3. Or you can solve 3x plus 4 equals 0, which comes out to negative 4/3. And then this one, this x minus 1, that x could not equal positive 1. Those are our excluded values. They both have a 3x plus 4 there, which we can cancel out. So all we have left is the x minus 1. It's in the denominator. You got to put a place filler up top. So it'll be 1 over x minus 1. And this last one, oh wow, we're going to have to do both of these. So let me scooch this out of the way so we got a little more room. So 6 times 2 is 12. That add up to 7 would be 4 and 3. So, oh, that'll annoy me. That'll just annoy me if it's moved. Oh, be more patient, Mr. Plant. So factors of 12 that add up to 7 would be x plus 4 and x plus 3. We have to try to divide them by that front number, 6. Which we can simplify both of those fractions. 4/6 would be 2/3, and then we kick the 3 to the front. 3/6 would be 1/2, and then we kick the 2 to the front. So final factored form for the numerator, we'd have 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. As far as the denominator goes, 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. So they have to add up to negative 5, so it'd be x minus 9 and x plus 4. We have to try to divide them by that 6. So let's see, 9 over 6, 3 goes into both of those. Kick the 2 to the front. 4 and 6 simplifies to 2/3 and kick the 3 to the front. So, denominator, we've got 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 2. Now, before we start crossing stuff off, let's get our excluded values. Think of how we would solve 2x minus 3. You would add 3 and then divide by 2. Think of how you would solve 3x plus 2 equals 0. You would subtract 2 and then divide by 3. So those are our excluded values. Now what can we simplify? We can cross out the 3x plus 2, which leaves us with 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 3. Now you might see those 2x's and think I can simplify that, but it'd have to be grouped out on the outside for you to do it. Oh!